Cornwall is a fantastic place to study environmental science. It's a beautiful location. It's a great place to get out into the field and use it as a natural laboratory. And 100 years ago, it was a complete environmental catastrophe. This wasn't a great place at all. And yet, after 100 years of benign neglect and active management, it is a green and beautiful landscape. Why? Because environmental science was done well. This is the place where you can see a job well done. And we use that in our teaching to help you and inform you about what was done in the past and what might be done in the future. We know the solution to most environmental problems, but we choose not to solve them. Why not? Politics, society, indifference, there's lots of reasons why we don't solve all the problems, but then none of them relate to the actual science. So in environmental science at Exeter, we combine the science to the society and to the politics and to the issues and the understanding, and added to that, we add law, because law is the primary means by which we manage the environment as a society. So therefore, understanding how we manage the environment through law turns out to be incredibly important. And those are the reasons why we're different everywhere else.
My favorite thing, well, I really like the amount of fieldwork we have. I felt like other universities didn't have like that amount of fieldwork, and here I get to go to like many places, take lots of data, measurements, all the things that I'm really into.
The field trips I've gone on my university course have been crucial for learning environmental science. From the first week, we go out into the field trip in local and Cornwall environment. We learn about the Cornish coastline, how it developed. That's really key, not only for learning key skills and learning knowledge, but also it allowed me to meet really good people, make some great friends. At the end of first year, we went to the Isles of Scilly, which is a lovely field trip. It's like the Caribbean of the British Isles. It made some of my best memories on field courses.
I really like being by the beach. I've always liked being in the water, so it's kind of the perfect location for me, and it gives me a great chance to try out new hobbies like surfing.
I definitely recommend it. I like the community in Falmouth. This course is really, really good for environmental science, and if you like the nature, if you like the environment around Cornwall, then it's a good thing.